We stayed in Japan for 10 days and 10 nights and this is how much we spent as a couple. First off, yung round trip airfare namin was about 9,000 pesos. We got it on a seat sale sa Cebu Pac and we booked it a year in advance. Next is yung walang kwentang travel tax. That is 1,620 pesos each. So times 2 nyo yan. And then yung add-ons namin which is 20 kilo papunta and then 44 kilo pabalik. I think that totaled to about almost 6,000 pesos. Next is our Airbnb. I think that costed us about 31,000 pesos. That is near the train station pa, so very convenient. And mura na yun guys because hotels are super expensive here. Yung mga nakikita ko was 5,000 pesos a day, so honestly, for me, super cheap na no Airbnb namin. And then, syempre, you would need an eSIM. So, we got ours sa Klook lang. That is about 359 pesos. And then, yung cash na dala namin, we withdrawed more than 20k, I believe. So, yan yung parang pocket money na cash namin doon. Transportation namin, which is the Pasmo card, yan yung gagamitin nyo sa mga train stations. Honestly, hindi na namin na-compute, but for 10 days, definitely more than 10,000 pesos din yung nagastos namin because pumunta pa kami sa Saitama and medyo may mga malalayo rin kami pinuntahan. So, now those are the basic ones. I'm gonna move on to food and shopping. Ngayon, bago tayo mag-away-away dito, iba-iba tayo lahat ng budget. Iba-iba rin lahat tayo ng preferences. So, wag nyo sabing, kami ganito lang, kami sobrang mahal. Bahala na kayo, te, akin to. For me personally, food is quite expensive. It would depend talaga sa budget mo. And syempre, andun na rin kami, so we definitely ate 3 or more meals a day. Hello. So each meal probably costed us 2,000 to 4,000 yen. Sa mga mamurahing restaurants pa to or yung regular restaurants, let's say 5,000 yen or more pa siguro kapag medyo higher end yung kinainan mo. So to estimate, we probably spent around 20 to 30k or more just on food. So again, iba-iba tayo ng budget. Lastly, wala ka namang ibang gagawin sa Tokyo kundi mag-shopping. So if gusto mo talaga mag-uwi ng maraming skincare, maraming chocolates and matcha, then save at least 10k to 20k. Andun ka na lang rin. So enjoyin mo na lang rin yung sarili mo. Yung utang na yan, pagbalik na yan sa Pilipinas. I can probably create another video on what are the other things we did, yung may mga free. So I guess see you in the next video.